We are inside one of my favorite new construction projects just outside of College Park. It's called the Brix at the Packing District. This community is a community of new construction townhomes in the Packing District area, which is a master plan community that's being built out by Dr. Phillips Foundation. The cool thing about this community is that it's all 3-story townhomes. And those townhomes are perfect for the younger couple or young professional who wants to be close to downtown Orlando within a 10-15 minute drive, but also wants more to their lifestyle than an apartment. With this floor plan that we're in the Elite Nova floor plan, which is the corner unit option for this community. And the cool thing about this is it's a 3-story, 4-story if you add the rooftop balcony, which you're gonna wanna see. And it's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath with just above 2,000 square feet. So they are really large floor plans. And as you can tell, the kitchens are large as well for a townhouse when you're comparing them to like 2-story townhouses that are usually fill-in projects around downtown Orlando. Let's talk about why these are being sold as luxury townhomes in the Packing District. The first is the luxury builder that's building them. They're a really well-known builder, and the finishes that they're using in these townhomes are fantastic. First, it's a gas community, so that means your range and your hot water heater are gonna be on natural gas, which is fantastic. Save some money there on your electric bill. And they do a lot of luxury finishes standard, including the quartz countertop, the 42-inch cabinets, the backsplash up to the ceiling, plenty of lights throughout the home. And one of my favorite things that a lot of people overlook is the 8-foot doors. Simply putting 8-foot doors on every floor of this townhouse and keeping the consistent height of the floors as you move up this townhouse really kind of emphasizes the amount of space that you have and makes the space feel even bigger. Right now, we are on the 2nd floor of the townhouse. The 2nd floor is usually wide open, and you have what you saw here is our kitchen, dining, and then living area. And then of course, a half bath up here on the 2nd floor that your guests can use. These units are gorgeous. And the cool thing about this Nova Elite floor plan is since it's the corner unit, you have 4 extra windows on this 2nd floor and additional windows upstairs. So you get a lot more natural light in this floor plan than one of the interior units. Also, like I said, the thing that makes it luxury is banisters instead of half walls and engineered hardwood on the floors, or at least the staircase, instead of carpet. Let's go upstairs and check out the other bedrooms. So arriving on the 3rd floor, you have bedroom number 2, which is behind you, your laundry room, and then your primary suite. And this is a primary suite with, like I said, 8-foot doors, plenty of space. This is the largest primary suite you'll find in a townhome this size. Huge closet, and then this gorgeous bathroom. With this bathroom, you have dual sinks, upgraded countertops, really nice end finishes, and then a shower that's plenty of space to fit a few. As I mentioned before, we got a secondary or bedroom number 2 on the other side of this hall. Spacious hall, washer and dryer. And this is a really large secondary bedroom for a townhome layout with a walk-in closet and an ensuite full bath as well. But let's check out that roof. So the coolest part of these 3-story townhomes is this optional 4th floor, which is the rooftop balcony that you can add on. A common, issue that people have with townhomes sometimes is not having outdoor space or their own private green space. And this is the best way you can get it, especially in this urban lifestyle. The cool thing that the builder offers when you are doing this rooftop upgrade is the ability to add a summer kitchen. So they have the gas that we talked about earlier is piped up here, and there's a gas location on the roof that you can plug into. Also, they have a water tap, Ethernet, and power, which means you can also do more than just a summer kitchen on your roof. This is a pretty spacious outdoor space on your 4th floor roof. So at the time of filming this video, the Brix at the Packing District community has about 40 units left for sale, and they expect to be closed out of the new construction in October 2025. So this is the time to get in and kind of secure one of the last options if you want to live in this newer area. And like I said, the Packing District has a lot to offer. It's really being redeveloped. A bunch of the warehouses are being torn down and new amenities are going into place, including the YMCA, which is brand new. That was finished in 2024, and the Orlando Tennis Club has courts here. There's also the amphitheater, which is walking distance from the neighborhood too. So if you're interested in learning more about this new construction community or any new construction community in Central Florida, don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Ben Laube, or anyone on our team. We'd love to discuss the floor plans and communities that meet your lifestyle and find one that makes the most sense for you.